Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are a hardcore PC gamer, a 3D rendering professional, or an extreme PC builder who simply refuses to settle for anything less than the absolute best, you have clicked on exactly the right video today. The landscape of high-performance computing and PC gaming has just experienced a massive, earth-shattering shift, and we finally have our hands on the hardware that is going to define the next generation of technology. Today, we are diving incredibly deep into what can only be described as the absolute pinnacle of graphics processing technology. I am, of course, talking about the highly anticipated, jaw-dropping MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 1593 2G Gaming Trio OC graphics card. This is not just a standard generational upgrade or a simple graphics card refresh. This is a monumental leap forward in every single metric. Powered by the groundbreaking and heavily rumored NVIDIA Blackwell Architecture, this GPU is fundamentally designed to crush absolutely any game, any complex 3D rendering task, and any heavy artificial intelligence workload you can possibly think to throw at it. Before we dive into the insane technical specifications, the real-world performance metrics, and exactly why you might need this beast in your system, I want to quickly remind you that if you are looking to upgrade your rig today and want to get your hands on the MSI RTX 5090 Gaming Trio OC, I have gone ahead and placed the direct Amazon affiliate links right down in the video description and in the pinned comment below. By using those specific links, you can check the current pricing, see the real-time availabilities since these cards are selling out incredibly fast, and grab one for yourself. Shopping through those links gives you the absolute best Amazon buyer protection, the fastest shipping options, and it supports the channel directly at absolutely no extra cost to you, allowing us to keep buying these crazy components to review for you guys. Alright, let us talk about what makes the MSI Gaming RTX 5090 Gaming Trio OC so incredibly special and why the entire PC gaming community has not been able to stop talking about it. First and foremost, let us talk about the beating heart of this massive monster, which is the brand new NVIDIA Blackwell Architecture. For the last few years, we genuinely thought we had reached the absolute ceiling of graphical fidelity with the previous generation of cards. But NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture completely rewrites the fundamental rules of what a desktop computer can actually achieve. This architecture brings unparalleled electrical efficiency and raw compute power that is specifically tailored to handle hyper-realistic ray tracing, full path tracing, and advanced artificial intelligence generation natively on the silicon. If you thought the previous RTX 4090 was fast, the RTX 5090 makes it look like it is standing completely still in a footrace. Blackwell is intricately designed to handle the most complex lighting bounces, dynamic shadows, and real-time reflections without breaking a single sweat. This ensures that your frame rates stay buttery smooth, locked in at high refresh rates, even when you go into the menu and push every single graphical setting up to the Ultra or Psycho preset. But as any PC enthusiast knows, raw architectural power is absolutely nothing without the video memory to back it up. And this is where MSI and NVIDIA have truly outdone themselves to create a future-proof masterpiece. The MSI Gaming RTX 5090 comes equipped out of the box with a mind-boggling 32 GB of memory. And I need to be very clear here. This is not just your standard graphics memory. We are talking about the brand new, ultra-fast GDDR7 memory sitting on a massive, incredibly wide 512-bit bus interface. Now, if you're sitting at home, you might be asking yourself right now, why on earth do I need 32 GB of RAM in my... The answer to that question comes down to ultimate future-proofing, ultra-higher resolution gaming, and heavy productivity. Modern AAA games, especially those utilizing uncompressed high-resolution texture packs, absolutely devour video memory. When you have 32 GB of GDDR7 at your disposal, you will never have to worry about annoying micro-stuttering, or awful texture pop-in, or game crashes simply because your graphics card ran out of VRAM. If you are a professional creator working in Unreal Engine 5, DaVinci Resolve, or Blender, this memory pool is a game changer. Or if you run local artificial intelligence models and large language models, this massive memory pool is a total game changer. Combined with the astonishing memory clock speed of 2.41 GHz, your rendering times will literally be slashed in half. You are effectively putting an enterprise-grade supercomputer directly inside your home desktop case. Next, let us talk about the pure speed and out-of-the-box performance of this specific MSI model. The MSI Gaming Trio series has been legendary in the PC community for years due to their aggressive and stable factory overclocks. This flagship card is no exception. Straight out of the box, without you having to tweak a single software setting. The MSI RTX 5090 Gaming Trio OC boasts an extreme performance GPU clock, speed of 2497 MHz. That is nearly 2.5 GHz of core processing speed running on a massive flagship GPU die. MSI has meticulously binned and tested these silicon chips at the factory to ensure maximum performance. The very second you plug this massive card into your motherboard's PCI Express X16 interface, you do not need to be a professional overclocker or spend hours messing with voltage curves. MSI has already done all of the heavy lifting and optimization for you. Of course, with this level of extreme, unprecedented power comes the absolute necessity for extreme cooling solutions. You simply cannot push a heavy die to 2497 MHz on an RTX 5090 without serious, heavy-duty thermal management. This is exactly why you want to choose the MSI Gaming Trio over the standard, cheaper reference models. This specific card features MSI's iconic and highly refined Tri-Frozr cooling design, utilizing 3 massive custom-designed Torx fans. They are engineered to provide maximum static pressure, driving massive amounts of cool air directly and deeply into the extremely thick aluminum heatsink fins. They also feature precision-machined core pipes that spread the heat across the entire length of the card. The result of all this over-engineered cooling? Whisper-quiet operation even when the card is placed under a 100% maximum load. Your graphics card stays icy cold, which completely prevents any thermal throttling from happening. This means your frame rates stay perfectly consistent and your 1% lows remain incredibly high. Whether you are just playing a quick 20-minute match or doing a grueling 20-hour weekend marathon gaming session with your friends. Now, let us move to the back of the card and talk about the video output interfaces. Because the physical connectivity has finally received the massive generational upgrade that monitor enthusiasts have been begging for. For far too long, gamers have been bottlenecked by older display outputs, but the MSI RTX 5090 completely shatters that bandwidth ceiling. On the back of the card, it features 3 DisplayPort 2.1a connections and 1 HDMI 2.1b connection. Why is the inclusion of DisplayPort 2.1a such a massive headline-worthy deal? It offers enough raw data bandwidth to drive uncompressed, high refresh rate 4K monitors. It fully natively supports the maximum display resolution of 7680 by 4320. Yes, you heard that specification correctly. This graphics card is fully capable of pushing real 8K gaming and high-end 8K media creation without breaking a sweat. If you are planning to upgrade your setup to the next generation of ultra-wide OLED panels or upcoming high refresh rate 4K and 8K displays, the RTX 5090, equipped with DisplayPort 2.1a, ensures you actually have the necessary cable bandwidth to push all of those millions of pixels without any ugly color compression, display stream compression artifacts, or input lag. So at the end of the day, who is this massive, powerful graphics card actually built for? If you are a competitive esports gamer who demands a locked 360 or even 500 frames per second at 144p resolution. To get the ultimate competitive edge, this card will deliver it effortlessly while barely spinning up its fans. If you are an immersive, single-player gamer who wants to boot up games like Cyberpunk, Alan Wake 2, or any upcoming next-generation AAA titles in stunning, crystal-clear 4000 resolution with full path tracing, the RTX 5090 is literally the only card on the market that will do it, without forcing you to compromise on your frame rate. And if you are a working professional, like a video editor, a structural architect, a 3D animator, or a machine learning AI developer, the 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM and the sheer computational force of the NVIDIA Blackwell Architecture will save you countless hours of waiting for progress bars to finish. In a professional setting, this card will literally pay for itself in the amount of time and frustration it saves you. Let's be completely honest and transparent here. The MSI Gaming RTX 5093 2G Gaming Trio OC is a massive financial investment for your PC. It is an ultra-premium piece of hardware specifically designed for those who simply refuse to compromise on their digital experience. It requires a very high wattage reliable power supply, a spacious desktop case to fit its massive cooler, and a top-tier modern processor so you do not accidentally bottleneck its immense graphical power. But in return for that investment, it gives you the absolute best, most breathtaking visual experience that money can buy in the world today. It runs cooler, it runs significantly quieter, and it pushes far more frames than anything we have ever witnessed in the entire history of PC gaming. The physical design of the card is sleek and aggressive. The RGB lighting implementation is tasteful and fully customizable through MSI software. And the overall build quality is exactly the heavy, premium standard you expect from a top-tier MSI flagship product. If you are finally ready to take your PC gaming setup or workstation to the absolute bleeding edge of modern technology, you really do not want to wait around on this one. Because of the incredible leap in performance and the huge demand from both gamers and AI professionals, these Blackwell cards are in incredibly high demand and they frequently sell out the minute they are restocked. Do not forget to check out the links in the description below to find the MSI Gaming RTX 5090 32G Gaming Trio OC directly on Amazon right now. Clicking those specific links ensures you get the most secure checkout process, the fastest prime shipping directly to your door, and the best return policies available on the internet, all while helping out this channel so we can keep producing detailed hardware reviews like this one. What do you guys think of the unbelievable power of the RTX 5090? Are you planning to upgrade your rig for the new Blackwell generation? Or are you holding on to your current setup for a little while longer? Drop a comment down below with your current graphics card model. And let me know if you are making the massive jump to the 50 series. If you found this comprehensive review helpful and informative, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, detailed PC builds, and extreme gaming benchmarks. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep on gaming. And I will absolutely see you guys in the next video.